Welcome to lesson 4.1. I made lesson 4 into some baby lessons. Let's start by putting your MT4 platform onto your VPS server. You can download the MT4 platform on the website from here or from the broker's website here at the top. Copy and paste that on to the desktop of the VPS server. Next, you're going to install it. Next, open an MT4 account with your broker, a demo account, and only add 100 US dollars to it. Let's log in to the account on the MT4 platform. So it is an OctaFx demo account, and our login information was sent to us by email. And there's our account of $100 opened. And we're all done. You have completed lesson 4.1. See you in the next lesson.